Today I will teach you how to use Whipbester soda maker to make soda water. You need to prepare carbon dioxide cylinder and soda water machine. The above are related products of Whipbester. 600 ml carbon dioxide cylinder, semi-automatic soda water machine, fully automatic soda water machine, portable soda machine. Next, let us learn how to use the portable soda maker of Whipbester. First, pour drinking water into the empty bottle. Pour grapefruit pulp into water. Then put 8 grams dioxide cylinder into the top of soda maker machine and tighten the cap. Unscrew the bottle cap after 3 seconds and you will get fresh sparkling water.